Hi there, and welcome to this moment of mindful escape. Perhaps you're feeling overwhelmed, your mind buzzing like a beehive. Maybe stress has settled on your shoulders like a heavy cloak. Whatever brought you here, for the next several minutes, we'll leave the world's noise behind and step into a peaceful forest, a place where worries drift away like leaves in the breeze, and your breath becomes your anchor. Let's begin. Take a moment right now to settle in. Find a comfortable seat, supported and grounded. Close your eyes or soften your gaze if you prefer. Let your breath flow naturally. Let your body find its comfort and allow yourself to truly be present in this moment. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a peaceful forest. Sunlight filters through the leaves, dappling the forest floor in warm golden light. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the sweet scent of pine and damp earth. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with the fresh forest air. Feel the coolness travel down your throat, into your chest, and throughout your body. As you exhale, release any tension or tightness you may be holding. Breathe again, deeper this time, letting go of worries like leaves falling from the trees. Now step into the forest. Feel the soft earth beneath your feet, the gentle crunch of leaves with each step. Look around. Notice the towering trees, their branches reaching towards the sky like ancient arms. Listen to the birdsong, a symphony of nature's music. Walk deeper into the forest. Follow a winding path, dappled with light and shadow. Notice the vibrant green moss carpeting the rocks, the delicate ferns unfurling their fronds. Perhaps you see a deer grazing in a clearing, its eyes gentle and wise. Continue walking, your pace slow and deliberate. Let your mind wander freely, like a butterfly flitting among the flowers. Don't chase after thoughts, simply observe them with gentle curiosity. If a thought arises, acknowledge it, then let it go like a dandelion seed carried by the breeze. As you walk, feel your body becoming increasingly relaxed. Your shoulders soften, your muscles melt away. The forest peace seeps into your very being, washing away stress and worry. Find a clearing bathed in sunlight. A crystal clear stream flows through it. Its gentle murmur a soothing lullaby. Sit beside the stream, feel the coolness of the water against your skin. Dip your hands in, letting the water cleanse your mind and soul. Listen to the water's song, a melody of peace and tranquility. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face, the caress of the forest breeze on your skin. In this moment, you are perfectly present, perfectly at peace. As you sit, allow yourself to simply be. No need to strive, no need to analyze, just be. like a tree rooted in the earth, strong and serene. Slowly, when you feel ready, begin to rise. Take one last look around the clearing, absorbing the beauty and tranquility. Walk back along the path, carrying the forest peace within you. Step back out of the forest, blinking in the sunlight. Bring your awareness back to your body, feeling your toes grounded on the earth. Take a few deep breaths, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing the serenity of the forest back into your day. Remember, the peace you found there is always within you, waiting to be rediscovered. Until next time, may your day be filled with calmness and clarity. Take care.